Changing bird population in the Green Bay area. Green Bay has a rich history of birds. However, ornithologist Tom Presby has the following to say.
Green Bay has been invaded by PCBs and other pollutants over the last couple decades, as well as invasive species like Phragmites, that big tall reed that you see.
Some native populations like terns have been declining. Populations have been declining because of invasive species and habitat destruction. This is important because birds can indicate the health of the Green Bay area. Ecosystems and birds can benefit with flourishing habitats. The sky is the limit, as birds know already.
These species are rebounding from the hits they took from the PCB era, that a lot of people call it. That includes, like I said, shorebirds and terns, but even ducks and things like that.
Humans can and must help. What's currently being done?
Because of the restoration efforts, there is now more mud and sand and other habitat that they need available. So,
as a result,
a lot of species are coming back in good numbers. Osprey, eagles, quite a few species of ducks are coming back in good numbers. And these shorebirds, even though they're decreasing in population on a national and even global level, they're also coming back to places in Green Bay where they haven't been observed.
So, what about the future? We need to clean up aquatic habitats. Create a sense of community and ownership of Baird's Creek natural habitats, promoting stewardship projects within the Greenway. Also, we need continued funding.
It was funded by the Conference Center for Biodiversity, which is part of UW Green Bay. It was also funded by the DNR and the Fish and Wildlife Service, so the two main natural resource agencies. And we also got a lot of funding from Ducks Unlimited. Ornithology also gave us a grant, so lots of interest in this project, which is very good.
For your time, Tom.
No problem, thank you.
Thank you, Tom Presby, UWGB, and other affiliates of the Watershed program. Keep up the good work.